At ChildFriendly, we have revolutionized the process of managing registration paperwork, making it seamless, error-free, and entirely digital. Families start their registration journey through a web form that is easily embedded into your website. Our smart registration system instantly determines the most suitable programs for families. They can then select the program and pay their deposit for the registration or waitlist if the desired program is full. By making the payment, a confirmation screen is shown and a customizable email is sent to families. This email will invite them to the parent portal where they can finish the process digitally. Inside the portal, parents complete any remaining information required by your provincial or state childcare regulations. That means no more issues with your licensing officer. Parents are conveniently shown the agreements and waivers and digitally sign any required documents with a seamless one-click process. Our system lets you add, fully customize, and determine if agreements are optional or required, making it easy to manage photo consents, contracts, policy handbook sign-offs, and more. And to cap it off, everything is automatically tracked and filed in our system. Need to reference a signed agreement later? No problem. Our digital file cabinet found under each family in the admin platform keeps everything organized, complete with digital signatures and dates. Parents can also view all their signed agreements at any time in the parent portal. Take control with ChildFriendly's digital registration process and say goodbye to traditional paper agreements.